Essa música se chama Sounds of Then.
Ganggajang, ao vivo aqui no Desprogramados.
Think I hear the sounds of then, and people talking, the scenes you recall, by minute movement and songs that fall. From the backing tape, a certain texture, that certain smell, to lying sweats, our familiar sheets in brick veneer on finance beds. In a room of silent heart effects, a certain texture, that certain smell brings home the heavy day, brings home the nighttime swell. Out on the patio we'd sit, and the humidity we'd breathe. We watched the lightning crack over cane fields, laugh and think this is Australia. The block is awkward, it faces west, long diagonals and sloping too. And in the distance, through the heat haze, in convoys of silence, the cattle graze. A certain texture, that certain smell brings forth the nighttime swell. Out on the patio we'd sit, and the humidity we'd breathe. We watched the lightning crack over cane fields, and laugh and think that this is Australia. Go, Buzz.